Today's video is in collaboration with Devol. You can get 70% off on the Desire series styling tools. Link will be down in the description box.
Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. It's so sunny outside. I love it. It's been 55 degrees in the past couple of days and I'm loving it. Finally, springtime is here. I just can't wait for summer, but we'll have to enjoy the springtime because it's been 6 months of winter and it's about time to enjoy the new season. It seems like half of the year is winter and then the other half is mixed with springtime, summer, and fall compressed together. It's like 2 months each season. Today is going to be a quick video for you guys. We are actually helping one subscriber or commenter on my video. She wanted to check out the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in product red, and I decided to buy it and make this video. So if you guys want to request, we can make it happen. Today we are going to be unboxing the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in product red, and we are also going to be comparing it with a product red leather case that I bought a few months ago. Also kind of update about it. Without further ado, here is the unboxing of the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in product red and its comparison to the leather case product red. So here is the silicone case. There's a red tab in here. Ordered it online and then pick it up through curbside. So here is the mighty product red for Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Same as usual. I love it. I love the red color. It gives color to your life. With my clothing right now, it just pops up. Now that we're done unboxing the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in product red, I am going to be comparing it with a leather case product red, and I have it here. I did unbox this and gave my first impression, and I will link it right in here. I've used this a couple of times, but I didn't really enjoy using this. One of the reasons why I don't like this is it's very slippery. I like it because it's different, but there are moments that it just slips through my hand just like that, you know, that feeling that it slips right away. And I think you would survive using this when you put a pop socket in here. That would be awesome if there is a red pop socket. The mellow yellow, I've used it, and there was one time when I brought it with me in the kitchen. I didn't see that the surface was really wet. I laid it on that wet surface. When I picked it up and saw it, I was freaking out because it's stained and it's really ugly. And then I kind of wiped it with damp cloth. I was thinking about putting some alcohol on a cloth, but I'm like, no, not alcohol. So I searched on the internet on how to take off a stain on a leather. I saw that you can just get a damp cloth and then just wipe it. So that's what I did. So it didn't really came off. I waited for like maybe 2 hours and it got dry and it looked the same as new. I think that's one of the things that I didn't really like about it. I'm used to silicone cases and other cases that just kind of get scratched and not get stained. I was relieved that the case is fine. Silicone cases, you can actually wipe this with alcohol. I use cotton rounds and then a little bit of alcohol in there and just wipe it. It gets dry easily. That day that I experienced that water sucked into my leather case, I realized leather cases is not for me. I know some other people like the leather case because they like the kind of like rustic look, ugly look, but I don't know, it's not for me at all. I tried using this a couple of times and I just don't like it. I don't like it. It's really pretty though. I like the bloody red. Silicone case is like a bright red. Found a bloody red color palette here and it really shows the colors of this right here. I just found this a couple of seconds ago. I just typed bloody red and it showed me a color hex color palettes in here. I can see that the A81C1C is this color, the leather case. F22525 is the silicone case. So the silicone case is really soft to the touch and it really feels great to the hand. Because it's really soft, it makes you want to hold it. It kind of like holds tightly in there because of the material of the silicone case, if that makes sense. While the leather case, I really have a dry hands. My hand maybe doesn't really go with the leather case because it's super dry and I don't know, maybe that's why. See? When you're not paying attention, it will definitely fall, and when you're in bed and you're doing this, it will fall on your friggin' face. So no, it's not gonna work for me. The silicone case has a lot of grip. It can be used without a phone grip. You can also keep this on all the time and charge it wirelessly. It fits really nicely on my iPhone without being bulky. And it is also easy to clean with alcohol and with a cotton round. Camera area sticks out properly to protect the lenses of your iPhone. So again, on the leather case, it's really slippery to hold. I've read on the internet that the more you use them and when you have already established the patina, it's less slippery. Don't want to wait for that time till it's grippy. The more time that you use your phone and it's slippery, the more you drop it and the more that your phone will get broken. I'm not gonna use those time to break my phone. Gets really stainy when the water gets sucked on the leather case, but as soon as it gets dry, it goes back to its original look. The thing that I don't like about this, you have to wait to get the patina. You have to use this all the friggin' time before you get the patina. If you're brave enough to like scratch, I've seen a video, this guy kind of like scratch his leather case just to get the patina. I'm not that brave enough to spend 49 bucks just to scratch it. So it doesn't really change look if not used all the time. You can easily put a phone grip in there, and you can also use the case while charging wirelessly. And before I forget, guys, this cases doesn't have a cover on the bottom. They are very expensive. The leather case, I guess, comes out like maybe $51, and then the silicone case comes out $41.34. They are very expensive. Of course, you're buying the brand Apple. They have a very nice inside, which is really good laying your iPhone in there, your very expensive phone. That's really a bonus, having to put your phone in a very nice soft case. And on the leather case, you can actually feel the logo, the Apple logo in there. There's a kind of depression right there. On the silicone case, you can also feel it, but it's not as emphasized as the leather case. So on the camera area of the leather case, there is a little bit of a lip right there to protect our camera lenses. Overall, I love the silicone case. I guess everyone knows that. I've learned over the years that when you use it in the kitchen and it gets wet right there a lot, it will get chipped easily. I try to make sure that I put it on a stand, not on the surface of the kitchen, because you don't know when it's wet. The silicone case, Apple, is the best and I love it. It's really grippy. I enjoy the softness to the hands. I hope I helped you guys in some way in deciding which one you want. I guess that is it for this video, guys. I hope I kind of covered all the stuff right here that I need to share. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram, Mau C Scott, or just comment on this video. Try my best to reply to your comments. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!